Creating invoices in QuickBooks Online is quick and efficient. Follow these steps to streamline your billing process. Click the plus New button and select Invoice. Next, click Add Customer and choose a customer from the drop-down menu. Ensure all their information is correct, especially their email address. Check the invoice date, due date, and terms. Update these if needed. Net refers to the number of days until payment is due. Click Add Product or Service and select the items from the drop-down menu. Choose how to calculate the charge amount flat rate, by hour, or by item. Enter the quantity and rate as needed. To adjust invoice details or design, select the Manage button and choose options from the side panel. QuickBooks will apply these settings to all current and future invoices. Toggle the fields on or off to control what your customer sees. Select payment options to choose how your customers can pay you online. Toggle these options on or off. Note that you need to sign up for QuickBooks Payments to receive online payments. If necessary, include fields for shipping fees or discounts by toggling them on and entering the amounts. Sales tax will display automatically if your setup includes taxable products. Write a personalized note or add attachments in the designated fields. Go to Design to change the color and font to match your company's branding. If you have templates from the previous invoicing experience, you can choose them here, although some functions may not be available. To send the invoice, click Review and send to email it to your customer. Adjust the email content if needed. To print a paper invoice, select Print and Download. If you've received a payment from the customer, select Receive Payment. To send a link to the invoice via text, select Share Link. If you have a lot of invoice data that needs to be imported to QuickBooks, you can try SaasAnt Transactions. Thousands of accounting professionals use this application daily to simplify their accounting processes. That's it.